Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to upload files on Google Drive and share through the link. Files stored on Google Drive are accessible from any device with an internet connection. This flexibility enables you to access your documents, images, or other files wherever you are, be it on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. First of all, open up the web browser on your PC. Once you get into the web browser, click on the dots icon from the top right corner, and it will show you the various options of apps in your Chrome. Then click on the Drive app from here. When you get into your Drive, you need to upload files. To do that, click on the New option, and it will show you the drop-down menu. From here, click on Upload File. So choose any of the files you want to add and click to open. Once you successfully uploaded a file, click on the three dots of the files you uploaded. From its drop-down, click on the Share button. Change the access to anyone with a link. Now click to copy the link of the file you just uploaded. After that, open up the new tab and paste the link in here. Then you will be able to see your uploaded file through this link. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.